Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs for a 1-year-old. Making nutritious and delicious scrambled eggs for your little one is simpler than you might think. We'll start with just one large egg, which provides excellent protein for growing toddlers. To achieve a wonderfully creamy texture, we'll incorporate 1 tablespoon of breast milk or formula. This also adds extra nutrients, making it a perfect meal for your baby. Now let's get cooking. First, crack your 1 large egg into a small bowl. Add the 1 tablespoon of breast milk or formula, then whisk everything together until it's well combined and slightly frothy. Next, place a small non-stick pan on your stovetop and set the heat to medium-low. This gentle heat is crucial for preventing overcooking. Finally, add about 1/4 of a teaspoon of unsalted butter or a neutral oil to the pan. Once your pan is gently warmed and buttered, pour in the whisked egg mixture. The key to perfectly soft, fluffy scrambled eggs for your toddler is constant, gentle stirring. Use a rubber spatula to push the eggs from the edges towards the center, creating small, tender curds. Continue this process for about 2 to 3 minutes. You want the eggs to be just set and moist, never dry or browned, as this makes them easier for little ones to chew. After cooking, immediately transfer the scrambled eggs to a plate and allow them to cool completely. This is very important to prevent burns. For your 1-year-old, mash the eggs with a fork or finely chop them into very small, bite-sized pieces to prevent choking hazards. Serve a small portion, about 2 tablespoons, and always supervise your child while they are eating. Enjoy watching your little one savor this nutritious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.